Wairarapa TV local news for Friday the 16th of December. Masterton now has another outlet on board that houses a defibrillator following the completion of Z Energy's initiative to install the devices at each of its service stations across the country. Z's community manager Christine Langdon said completing the rollout was an important milestone in ensuring communities had easy access to life-saving technology. There are over 70 defibrillators spread out across Wairarapa. It's been a busy year for students at St Teresa's and South Featherston schools, but caring for their environment has been high on their list. This year, both schools have completed kaitiaki, or guardianship projects, that support neighbouring internationally significant wetland. Wairarapa Moana have celebrated this work to connect with the natural environment outside their school gates. Greater Wellington Regional Council's Biodiversity Advisor, Tony DeLorta, says these children are very passionate about their environment. We were delighted to support them as they explored ways of caring for Wairarapa Moana. A new mural has been painted on the New World side of the World War II Memorial Hall. In association with the RSA and Golden Cheers, the mural has been completed by Vicky Pilling and students from Makolda College. And in sport, Olympic and world champion rower Hamish Bond will step up his cycling career next month when he contests the New Zealand Cycle Classic. Bond won half of New Zealand men's rowing pair with Eric Murray, won back-to-back Olympic golds in the men's coxless pair, and will now contest the 30th anniversary of the Cycle Classic being held in Wairarapa from the 22nd of January. For Wairarapa TV Local News, I'm Brent Gare.